Good evening. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding two different topics. The first one is World Happiness Index. And according to the latest report that has been released, India has been ranked at 139th position. And the total number of countries were 149. Out of 149 countries, India has been ranked at 139th position. So, what is the rank of India in the World Happiness Index? That is one possible question. Now, so out of 149, India is at 139th. But which is the first country and which is the last country? Meaning, which is the country that has been ranked at number one? And the answer is Finland. But what about the country that has been ranked at the end, meaning 149th position has been, this is given to Afghanistan. So that is a terrorism in Afghanistan. So many problems are there in Afghanistan. And apart from all these things, if you look at the entire world, complete last year has been, this entire world has faced this pandemic. Of course, even now also we are fighting against COVID-19. During that particular critical time, how the governments in various countries have responded. Like this, various parameters have been taken into consideration and the list has been prepared and it has been released in the form of a report. Kindly remember the ranks. India, 139th rank. At number one position, you have Finland. At the last position, 149th position, you have Afghanistan. And if you look at, the countries like Pakistan, China, Bangladesh, all our neighbors, so they have been ranked above India. And we are going to look into all the details now. Kindly stay tuned. I am going to open the document. Now have a look at this. So before we discuss about the World Happiness Index, have a look at the first question here. In which of the following states Lai Haroba festival is celebrated? Important one. I told you many times, many states have got many festivals. And as a part of culture, that is important for our examination point of view. So the question is, in which of the following states Lai Haroba festival is celebrated? Manipur, Jammu and Kashmir, Goa or Kerala? And the answer is option A, that is Manipur. Kindly remember this. And I would like to show you some points regarding this. So if you look at this particular festival, so this is one of the main festivals performed in Manipur, which has its roots in the pre-Vaishnavite period. This is the earliest form of dance which forms the basis of all stylish dances in Manipur. But what is the meaning of this? Literally, the meaning is merry making of gods. And this is performed as a ceremonial offering of a song and a dance. And the principal performers are the Maibas and Maibis, meaning the priests and priestess, who reenact the theme of the creation of the world. Very, very, very important one. So this is the festival that is related to the, the creation of the world. And this is reenacted by the priests and priestess in Manipur. Next, we'll be going ahead. We'll be looking at the next topic, which I have discussed in the beginning of the this session. Look at this. What is the rank of India? What is the rank of India in the World Happiness Report? What is the rank of India in the World Happiness Report? And I must change this one. And the correct answer is 139th. Right? Just now I told you 139th is the rank of India in World Happiness Report of 2021. Look at this. India has been ranked 139 out of 149 countries in the list of United Nations World Happiness Report. And this particular report has been topped by Finland, meaning Finland is at number one position. Alright, look at the next point. Finland has been ranked at number one position. With India's neighbors, Pakistan has been ranked at 105th position, Bangladesh 101st position, and China at 84th position. But whereas in India, India has been ranked at 139th position. Look at this. This is issued by, the report is issued by UN Sustainable Development Solutions Network that focuses on the effects of COVID-19 and how the people all over the world have fared. Right? So the year was so tough for the entire world. People across the globe, industries across the globe, and the governments across the globe, they suffered. They were hit very, very badly. It ranks the world's 149 countries on how happy their citizens perceive themselves to be. But what was the aim of this particular report? The aim is that it is twofold. First, to focus on the effects of COVID-19, to focus on the effects of COVID-19 on the structure and quality of people's lives. And the second one is to describe and evaluate how governments all over the world have dealt with the pandemic. In particular, some countries have done so much better than others. For example, here, if you look at countries like some of the countries in Europe, and if you look at a country like America, so they suffered a lot. But when it comes to countries like India, so we have fared better. But even then, so we have been ranked at 149th position. I'm sorry, 139th position out of 149 countries. Look at this. It is said that India is on 139th spot on the list, right? And in the year 2019, India was ranked at 140th position. So look at this, a few more points here. There have been both in-person and telephone samples for India, with the in-person responses being lower than the telephone responses, while significantly higher than in-person responses in the year 2019. Hence, the reversal in 2020 of the long-term slide in Indian life evaluations was not attributable to mode effects. Very, very, very important one. Next, we'll be going ahead. Some more points here for your information. As far as Finland is concerned, it has been ranked as the happiest country in the world. The Nordic nation is followed by Iceland, Denmark, Switzerland, the Netherlands, Sweden, Germany, and Norway. Right? These are all the countries that have followed Finland. But on the other side, if you look at Afghanistan, people in war-torn Afghanistan are the most unhappy with their lives. Right? I told you already, Afghanistan has been ranked at the last position, 149th position. Right? And if you look at Zimbabwe, 148th, Rwanda, 147, Botswana, 146th, Lesotho, 145. Clear? So the most happiest country in the world is Finland. Most unhappy country in the world is Afghanistan. Look at this. The happiness study ranks the countries of the world on the basis of questions from the Gallup World Poll. The results are then correlated with the other factors, including GDP and social security. Right? So that is the reason why, the other, if you look at our neighbors, so they have been ranked above India. What about America? America has been placed at 19th place for happiness. Important one. So kindly remember all these things. That's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much.